What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing an installation of Diode Dynamics light kit for my Dodge Charger SXT Plus. So let's get started. Got the package here, already opened it up. It's just one of those ones with bubble wrap and crap. Got all of the contents. Here you get your little paper. Sent out a sticker. I believe it's white. Not really sure. Yeah, it's a white sticker. It just says Diode Dynamics. I'll be sure to put that on my car. And here's all the light bulbs I bought. I think all you're not going to need for this installation is a screwdriver and some needle nose pliers. So these two, I already know what these are for. These are called vanity lights. They're for the little mirrors on the visor things. So when you pull down the mirrors, they'll be LEDs now. They're the bright ones. I got the highest lumens for all these lights that Diode Dynamics offers. But these ones are in a cool white color. Oh, it's not focusing. Whatever, it says cool white right there. So that's the vanity lights, is what they're called. These are the trunk lights. I got some, I think they're 88 lumen. Not really sure, but they're also a cool white. They'll be a lot brighter than the stock ones, which is definitely a plus. Then we got this one. It's a glove box light. It might be called a map light. I don't know. They had weird names on there, but also a cool white color. Then we have these ones, which are they're for the middle thing by the rear view mirror. And then on the back doors, there's the two lights by the grab handles. So that's what those are for. And then last but not least, we got some blue lights for the bottom of each door. So when I open the doors, it'll be blue on the shining at the ground. Just a nice little touch. I'm going for a white and blue theme with my car, so alright. That'll be nice. Here we are in the trunk. I'm going to do the trunk lights first, which are these ones. So here's what stock trunk lights look like. See if I can get a good angle. There's like a yellowish color, just kind of gross and dull and boring. I don't know why Dodge does this, but why don't they put LEDs in everything? I don't know. They do for the license plate light, but alright, so in the top of the light, I don't know if I can get it, there's that little notch right there. So what you need to do is stick our screwdriver in there and pop it out. It's a little warm, so be careful with that. So then somehow I need to get this boy out. Let's see. Set this boy down. Oh, it's very warm. Just kind of finagle it out. See, maybe I'll use pliers instead. Maybe a little safer. And boom. Got it out. That part's pretty, once you see it, you'll probably understand what to do. It's pretty easy looking, actually. So, now we take our new ones. I guess if you, you might put it in one way and it might not work that way. Because LEDs, it's like one side's negative and one side's positive. So you just gotta try both ways. You might have to flip it around if it doesn't work right away. And boom, there you go. Those are way brighter, and then we'll, oh man, those get hot quick. Alright, we'll stick it back in. I did it the wrong direction. Wow. Well, that was very smart of me. So let's take it back out. Damn it. Turn it upside down so that the LEDs are facing out, because I didn't do that. So this is what the back should look like. Yeah. Fucking dumbass. Pop those in. Dang. So there's the cool white color. I believe that's an 88 lumens light. They have different options on diodedynamics.com. That's stock. The yellowish grossness and the new LED. Nice. Alright, I'll do the other side and show the afterwards. Alright, so next I'm going to do the vanity lights, which are these lights. The little ones with the little mirror. So I'm going to do both sides, obviously. And I'll change these lights out later too. So these ones are next. Okay. Here we go. Okay, I believe. Alright. So there's a little part you press right there. That's the part we're going to take out. Just get your screwdriver in there. Pry it out. It comes out really easy. You can hit the back of the old light. Hecka hot. Again. Jeez. Alright. Get our new light. Wrong way. The lights went off. That's the issue. Alright. Let's try now. And there we go. Take our cover. Looks like this. Has a little thing that goes in here. Wow, those are easy. Alright, on to the next one. So there's that little notch again, just like in the glove box. Stick your screwdriver in there. pull it out, and you got this guy. Take your pliers, get it out. Take our new light, new bulb. Make sure you face the little dots down, because I made that mistake earlier. Oh, those look sick. Did I get in there right? Oh, shit. Yeah, stick it back up in there. Dang, those look great. I'm excited for those. That's going to be awesome. When I get out of my car every time, it's going to be shining blue. That's sick. Alright, gotta go do the rest. Alright, so we're going to do a low light test. See how they look. That really lights up the trunk better, and it's nice having white lights. It looks a lot better. So those are definitely probably some of my favorite. They're the easiest to install out of all of them. Definitely some of my favorite of the lights. So there's the blue. We'll open up all the doors. Just get a good look. Yeah, there's the blue. Looks really good. Really lights up the ground. I'm sure in like total darkness, we do have a light on up there, but total darkness probably looks really good. So we got the LEDs there. Those were installed there and there. Those were really easy to install, the back ones. Now I got these ones up here. These ones were some of the harder ones. Had to take out the heat shield and all that. Then we got the glove box one. That one was a pain in the ass. That one sucked. I don't know why Dodge designed it that way to take the light bulb out. I don't know, that sucked. These ones were pretty easy to do. The vanity lights for the mirror on the visors. Other than that, I really like the blue though. I'm really happy with this install. You can see the blue on over there too. So yeah, just a small little install. Really happy with it. Diode Dynamics, they do a really good job. Not sponsored by them at all, by the way. I definitely bought these with my own money. For all of these lights, there's, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I got 15 different light bulbs. It cost $150-ish dollars, so with shipping it was like 160, so it's about $10 a bulb. But also I did extra because I did all the high output, high lumen bulbs, but I definitely would recommend to do the high lumen bulbs just because you want things to be brighter. Also, I read on some reviews that the colored lights on low lumen bulbs are so-so, could be better. Like someone, they put that they ended up buying the high lumens ones even after they bought the low lumen one because they wanted it brighter. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I'll do a review in a week, see how I like them. So that's it for this build. I'll see you later, YouTube. Bye.